Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today's video is sponsored by Dzees, where they have sent me once again an indoor security camera. So this camera right here is a indoor camera that you guys can use. So if you are going on vacation and you have pets, then this is a camera where it has no subscription. It has a 360-degree Wi-Fi camera. It's wired, so it also comes with magic picks, night vision, calls, two-way audio, 24/7, motion tracking, and it comes with privacy. So I'm gonna unbox it for you guys in today's video because it is sponsored. But let me just say, I am going on vacation, and this video is also a pre-vacation clean with me. So this house right here needs to be cleaned. I'm gonna do just that. One of the first things that I chose to do was start off in the kitchen. In this vlog, you guys will see me go in and out of each room of the house and do something different in there. I am first attempting to tackle the kitchen, where I am cleaning up over top of my refrigerator. Things just need a little bit more organization up here so that more can fit. And of course, this is my chance to get rid of a lot of things that no longer are needed. Such as getting the dishes washed and putting away trash and getting that out of here, and then of course to finish cleaning up over top of the refrigerator. The one thing I can say is nobody wants to come back home to a dirty house. So I then decided to move on to the bathroom. I'm washing the tub area and of course the tile. I decided to wash our clear shower curtain. That way it is fresh and clean for when we come back in our own home to take showers after being at the resort. So that's just one thing I wanted to do. I ended up finding a bunch of different toothpaste on my stockpile from couponing, so I decided to put those away and figure out which ones we needed to take with us. So that is also what I'm doing as I clean up today. I have a bunch of laundry to do and get ready to put away and make sure that it is put away before we come back. When we come back, the only laundry that needs to be done is the laundry that was used from the week. We definitely don't like to spend time in the laundromat while we're on vacation, even if it is the last night, just because we can't wash our stuff with Skylar's stuff. And I think that recently we have stepped outside of the box and tried to wash her stuff with the same detergent as ours. I think as she got older, the skin breakouts from the detergent has stopped. So definitely giving that a try to go back to like Tide and Arm & Hammer, Gain and Snuggle and stuff like that. I then went ahead and just fixed up my coffee bar. Like, it's not even a coffee bar, y'all. I just wanted to make it look decent and of course fit most of my appliances over here. So in this area, I have my Mr. Coffee Ice, I have my coffee Keurig, and I also have the juicer, and then I also have my crock pot. Of course, I needed to go ahead and wash all of the bed sheets. So spread out through this video, you guys will see me go into each individual room and do things. So in this room here, I needed to put the blankets in the washer and the comforter in the washer and put them back on. And then I'm going to end up putting those back on once everything is fully dry. Mostly in my living room, what needed to happen was to vacuum underneath of the couch. Who imagines running their hands through, finding sunflower seeds, goldfish, and other trash that has fell through the couch? Well, that'd be me. And meanwhile, I wanted to go ahead and get this stain up, so what I used was spray and wash, some laundry detergent, and then of course water. And I just wiped it down with a washcloth and was easily able to get this stain out. Does it really matter? No, but at the same time, if I'm doing a cleaning before I leave for vacation, I want to make sure that I clean to have a clean home to come back to. So now I'm just working on laundry, probably more laundry of ours, and then of course working on Cam's laundry. So we just try to wash everything all together. I'm just literally taking piles out of the dryer and then just taking it to the bedroom and literally folding them up and then stacking them up to get put away. So laundry is all that I can do before vacation. Laundry. I think typically on a weekly basis, I tend to wash about 4 to 5 loads. With me having to do the bedding and all of that stuff this week, it also gave me more loads to do, but that's totally fine. So I just went ahead and started busting it down and folding everything so that everything can get distributed to where it belongs. Everybody can put their stuff away, whether that means hang it up, put it in the drawers, or whether it's something that they wanted to put on for the next day or the shower, whatever. I just needed to get most of this laundry done. And with laundry, it normally takes about 30 to 45 minutes to get all of the loads folded and given to whom it needs to go to. So I of course need to wash my bedding. I keep this yellow blanket at the foot of my bed, so I'm going to wash that too. But I'm also going to wash the sheets and the pillowcases. Like I said, when you come home from a hotel, resort, you want to make sure that you're laying your head down on a clean set of sheets. If y'all haven't already started using Miss Myers, I don't know where you've been at. You definitely need to check out Target or Walmart, or even on Amazon to get you some Miss Myers. That is literally all that I love to use in the home when spraying and wiping things down. Now, of course, I got to get this bathroom cleaned because when I come back, I want to be able to sit on a fresh, clean toilet. In the closet because I was going through clothes to try and find certain things and messing things up. So I took all of the clothes out of my closet, which is the short skirts, and then of course pajamas, shirts that I wear like to bed or just wear like to walk, whatever, to the gym, stuff like that. So I wanted to go through all of those things and then put those back into the closet. So I wanted to make sure that everything was cleaned back up, put back in neatly and tight. So I did clean out the closet, vacuum that, and then of course, now that I am getting together all of the laundry, it's also going to help because I can put everything away where it belongs. thank you for staying tuned to see this video and get some cleaning motivation, but also to stay tuned to see the sponsorship that I was talking about in the beginning of the video. Dzees was really nice to send me out another camera, this time for the indoors, and I really want you guys to see how this works. I literally have all of 3 weeks left of summer vacation. I know it seems like summer vacation just literally started, but the good thing about this is that I will be going back in early, so August 5th, and then of course getting out next year at the end of May. So I won't complain too much. I just have really needed this letdown moment to decompress of dealing with kids that are not mine, and then of course dealing with the stubbornness of kids that are not mine, and of course just dealing with kids that are not mine. So I'm putting away teacher shirts and going through those to see, do I have any kindergarten ones that I need to get rid of. Of course, I'm also going through and just seeing which other things I don't want, because I will be making one big trip to Goodwill. I swear that you guys are never going to believe me, but when it comes to packing, I have the hardest time putting things away and getting myself back on track of having a clean home, because you are rushing around the clock to make sure you have everything that you need inside your travel bags. So I wanted to make sure that everything was put away, and at the same time just make sure everything kind of looks good, and then like I said, to go ahead and have some clean sheets on my bed for when we return. So there are some things that I wanted to get out of the hallway, such as this big purple tote luggage right here. So I think I'm going to make sure that nothing's in that and drop it off at the Goodwill. Of course, I need to either figure out if I'm going to get back into my business after vacation of doing epoxy stuff, and if I'm not, I need to let it go. And then, of course, I just need to make sure the hallway is completely cleared out. My desk area just needed a little got to put a little umph in it when it came to this desk, because I don't really sit at it. I don't even really use it. I just keep my computer, my iPad, my camera over here, and a couple of other things, as you can see. But it needs to be cleaned up. And of course, this is my area where I've been keeping last minute things to pack. So here it is. Then again, last thing I wanted to do in the kitchen was to go ahead and wipe down the ceiling fan. There's a lot of dust up there, and with me moving the table, I just wanted to get up there and say that I've accomplished it, because it's been on my mind to do for the past 2 weeks. bedrooms are totally up to the kids from this point on, other than me washing the bed sheets, for them to clean up the rooms. They know that nothing is to be on the floor. They know that everything is supposed to be put away, things like that. So that's totally up to them from here on out. I wanted to make sure that I vacuumed my carpet, went ahead and cleaned up my living room area, so putting away all of my unnecessary things that don't need to be there, and then of course to go ahead and just finish up the last little bit of stuff. So this video recording of pre-cleaning for vacation took course over a week-long time span. Bathroom caddy materials. Like I said, when I come back, I want to make sure that I've started over fresh and just get everything cleaned up and kind of organized on top of here. And here it is. The time has come to introduce to you guys the Dzees sponsorship that came to me. This is a really great indoor security camera that works well with Wi-Fi. It is powered by a cord, and then you can also mount it to walls. Easily remove the plastic and insert your SD card into this, and of course plug it up. Then you're going to want to sync it with your iPhone, or you can also sync it with your Android. Now, one of the good things about this is that I already have the outdoor camera, so it also keeps the outdoor and indoor camera both together all in one app. So this indoor camera it works the same way as the outdoor camera, where you just have to sync it, give it a name, and then of course connect it to your network. I just want to say thank you guys so much at Dzees for sending me over that indoor security camera as something that I can use to watch the inside of my house and the outside of my house. Now that I have the two cameras with you all, it is so much easier to just watch over my house while I am gone, whether it's to work, vacation, or just up the street to go to the grocery store. Either way, I love knowing that I am secure and that my home is secure at the same time. So I'm gonna enjoy this vacation and of course be able to check in on my camera to make sure everything is going copacetic here at home.